Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Garageband and making a new empty project so you control every element. Add a software instrument track and pick a bass patch, electric bass for punch, synth bass for sub. Set the tempo and key to match the song. This keeps MIDI notes aligned. Once done, arm the track and open the piano roll to draw a simple root note pattern. Make sure to quantize lightly so timing stays human but tight, and save a version. Now you design the sound and arrange the part. Program a 2-bar bass line, using velocity changes and octave jumps to add movement. Humanize with slight timing shifts. Next, insert bass amp designer or an amp sim. Adjust drive for grit, low and high for clarity. Use EQ to remove mud around 200 to 400 Hz and gently boost 60 to 120 Hz for low-end weight. Once the tone sits well, finish by balancing and locking the bass into the mix. Apply compression with a moderate 3:1 ratio, medium attack and faster release so notes breathe but remain steady. Sidechain or automate gain so the kick punches through. This prevents low-frequency clashes. Add light saturation for presence, then stereo link or keep bass mono under 120 Hz. If problems persist, check phase against other tracks and use a narrow cut to remove resonances. Finally, reference on
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.